Massie, the future heart of SpaceX's Starship and Raptor engine testing operations. Welcome to the dawn of a new era in space exploration. At the heart of this revolution lies Massie, a burgeoning hub. Here, the pulse of innovation beats loud. Massie is set to transform into a critical center for Raptor engine and Starship rocket testing. SpaceX's ambitious plans hinge on relentless testing. Their vision? To conduct multiple Starship flights, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. At Massie, every test is a step closer to the stars. It's where technology meets determination, propelling us towards a future beyond Earth. The facility isn't just a site, it's the breeding ground for breakthroughs. Here, engineers and scientists collaborate, driven by a shared mission. Each successful test at Massie marks progress not just for SpaceX, but for humanity's quest to explore the cosmos. As we stand on the brink of interstellar discovery, Massie promises to be the launch pad that will take us there. Join us on this journey,